Good morning, students. I hope you are all clear with the concept of simple past tense that we have learned yesterday. Today, let us begin with the past continuous tense. What do we mean by past continuous tense? It means we are talking about an action that happened in the past in a continuous way at a particular point of time. So the first form of sentence that we are going to look at is positive sentences, or also called as the assertive sentence. The formula that we use for framing sentences in the assertive format is subject plus was or were plus verb in the ing form to represent the sentence in the continuous format. So here are some examples we have. We always know that was and were are used according to the type of subject that is placed. So if we have a singular subject, we will use was, and if we have a plural subject or a second person, we will always use were. So here the examples are I was working. I is first person singular pronoun, so we use was. You were working. You is second person form of pronoun, so we use were. He, she or it is again singular form and pronoun, so we use he, she or it was working. And then we have we were working. We is first person form of pronoun in plural form, and then we have they were working. They is once again the plural form of third person pronoun, and then we say they were working. Let's look at the negative form of sentences for past continuous tense. We start with the subject, use was or were, and then we have to add the word not to stress on the negative aspect of the sentence, and then finish it with ing form of verb. Some examples are I wasn't singing, you weren't singing, he, she or it weren't singing, he, she or it wasn't singing, we weren't singing, and they weren't singing. So here also we use was or were as per the position, as per the pronoun mentioned in the subject's place. Let's look at the interrogative sentences. We have to start the sentence with a questioning verb, because we are talking about questioning sentences. So when we start write or speak a sentence in question format which has to be in the past continuous tense, we start with was or were, because we are talking about past tense, and then we bring the subject plus the ing form of verb. Looking at the examples, was I waiting? Were you waiting? Was he, she or it waiting? Were we waiting, or were they waiting? Here you can relate the was and were with the subject as we have discussed earlier. When we have past continuous tense, we also have some situations where we have to use two situations at a time in a sentence, and we use when or while to combine those two happenings at the same time. So past progressive tense is used for two actions happening at the same time in the past. Let's look at some examples. When we have two happenings at the same time, we use the word while for conjugating them. She was cooking while her younger sisters were playing. So here two actions are happening. Cooking is an action which is happening, and playing is also taking place at the same time. So here the sentence is she was cooking while her younger sisters were playing. Take a look at the second sentence. Tommy was crying while his father was scolding him. And then I was reading while Beth was practicing her speech. Reading and practicing are two actions which have taken place together at the same point of time. We are now looking at the second set of examples where a past continuous tense is used for interruptions while certain actions are happening in the past. That is, when a certain activity is taking place at that time, something just comes and interrupts you. So it's a small glitch in the activity that is taking place. If you look at the examples, they were walking home when it rained. So what happened here? They were walking. Walking is the activity that is happening. The action taking place is walking. What happened at that time? When they were walking, it rained. So the sentence says, walking home when it rained. The second example shows that when her friends came, she was taking a shower. So what was happening when the friends came? The action that was taking place was taking shower. So actual action happening here is she was taking a shower. What happened at that time? Her friends came. The next and last sentence here is, I was washing the dishes when the phone rang. So you can make out the difference between when to use while and when to use when based on these examples. You use the word while when you are combining two simultaneous continuous actions that have taken place in the past, whereas we use when to join these two actions when the second action is just an interruption in the main action that is taking place. That's all for today, children. I'm going to put the assignments for you to complete. I hope that you will enjoy doing today's assignment. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.